What a fantastic day to fly the drone outside. Here is Theresenwiese. In the middle of Munich, this is where they have the Oktoberfest. But today it's simply full of snow. There is no chance to have the Oktoberfest in this snow park today. Great for sledging, great for having fun. Enjoy a view from the Theresenwiese in Munich.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe, leave me a like, and I will see you in the next one.